Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this session, we are going to discuss passing package for the subject Introduction to Mechanical Engineering. It's applicable to first or second semester. So it is not considered as a passing package. I consider it as a scoring package. I request you to go through the mentioned topic thoroughly before appearing for the examination. In the module 1, we need to talk about introduction and energy. Key topics need to be covered is role of mechanical engineering, emerging trends, especially automotive, aerospace, manufacturing. Then explain the energy sources like renewable and non-renewable energy sources. Environmental concern you have to talk about. One is global warming, other one is ozone depletion. So these are the basic things you need to cover in module 1. Simple one only. Important questions are explain the role of mechanical engineering in industry and society, 8 marks. Working of hydropower station with a sketch. Difference between fossil fuels and biofuels. Short note on global warming and ozone layer. So key notes to remember, fossil fuels. Examples are coal, petroleum, and natural gas. If I talk about global warming caused by carbon dioxide leads to climate change. Hydropower plant working, converters potential energy of water converted to mechanical energy, then it is converted into electrical energy. Aerospace trends, lightweight material, turbofan engines, and composites. These are the short notes. In the second module, like machine tools and operations, advanced manufacturing. Lathe operation, turning, facing, knurling, then drilling, boring, remaining, milling, plane slot, CNC components, advantages, block diagram. CNC, what is CNC? What is 3D printing, introduction and application? These are the basic things you should go through before appearing for the examination. So now I'll be discussing about important questions. What is the operation of lathe? 8 marks. CNC advantages and disadvantages. Components of CNC. We need to explain the block diagram. Next, explain the concept of 3D printing. These are the probable questions. Important notes. CNC is nothing but computer numerical control. Advantage is repeatability, accuracy, automation. What is 3D printing? Additive manufacturing, layer by layer production. That is called the 3D printing. Additive manufacturing, concept of additive manufacturing. Module 3 is dealing with the IC engine and EV. Then components and working of four-stroke petrol and diesel engine. Short question. Applications of IC engine. What is electric vehicle and components and working hybrid electric vehicle. Architecture, pros and cons. Important questions. Explain the four-stroke engine with the PV diagram. Difference between petrol and diesel engine. Components of EV with a neat detailed sketch. Advantages and disadvantages. These are the probable questions. Module number 3 is dealing with the following keynotes. Petrol engine, spark ignition, lighter used car bikes, diesel engine compression ignition duty cycle EV, motor, battery, controller. Last one is hybrid, combines IC engine and battery motor. So it is like more robust compared to other type of vehicle. If I talk about like a module 4, engineering materials and joining process, then you have to talk about like a ferrous and non-ferrous material and the types and uses. Smart material, especially shape memory alloys, welding, bracing, soldering, then definitions, differences, arc welding, gas welding, and types of flames. These are the important thing you need to cover in this particular module. So now the valuable questions are ferrous versus non-ferrous material, difference between soldering and bracing, arc welding working principle, then types of gas welding flames. These are the probable questions. Now question number 5, key topics. Mechatronics, robotics and IoT. Mechatronic system, open loop versus closed loop system. Robotic manufacturing, polar, cylindrical and Cartesian automation types, fixed, programmable and flexible IoT. Physical, logical design and communication models. Important questions from module 5 are closed loop mechatronic system, types of automation with example, Cartesian and polar robots, physical and logical design of IoT, then IoT communication and models. So these are the important questions. Prepare like a mechatronics equal to mechanical electronics plus control automation increases productivity and safety. IoT is nothing but like Internet of Things connects the devices to the cloud. So these are the important topic you need to cover, and we have discussed. And one 7 days plan that is already given to you. Then the first one read module 1 to 2 theory and definition. Second day practice the skeletons and working the machines and CNC. Third one is read module 3. Then like IC engine EV study module for material plus SMA welding. then study module 5 robotics IoT diagrams, then solve only full module paper, revise the module paper and quickly revise it. Next is final exam tips, write full answer with the diagrams, underline key terms, don't skip the short notes like SMA, IoT tools, etc. But prioritize a memory like 2, 3, 5, etc. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any queries, kindly use the comment box. I'm happy to answer back. And if the video found useful, kindly share with your friends and stakeholders. And kindly give the like button, comment and share. Happy learning.